Well, here we are out in the garden, and Susan is pulling weeds. We tilled this, what, a week ago, Susan?
2 weeks.
2 weeks ago. Tilled this up 2 weeks ago. Susan's been out here every day picking up weeds that the tilling didn't kill. You can see we've got some green winter annuals there. And she pulls some up every time she comes out, trying to beat them down before we get too deep into the season. And yesterday was Good Friday, so she came out here and planted 3 rows of potatoes here. And those were potatoes left over from last year she planted.
That had already sprouted.
They'd already sprouted. She got them in the ground. We should have potatoes over here on these trellises.
There'll be sweet potatoes later.
She's going to put her sweet potatoes in right here. And over here along the edge,
Onions.
she's planted her onions.
And some peas to climb on the fence.
And peas to climb up the fence. The onions have been under assault by a squirrel.
Yes.
And we haven't, she caught him in the act out here one day, or we were puzzled about what was getting him, but it was a squirrel. It is a squirrel. We haven't done anything to the squirrel.
Anyway, the rhubarb's been covered and uncovered and covered again because we've had frosts and freezes.
Here's her rhubarb. She's had to cover it repeatedly because of cold snaps coming through.
And I divided some of it and started some new plants in between where the gaps were.
Yeah. And look, we still have
a few daffodils.
Still have some daffodils out here. They're looking really nice yet.
Those white ones are King Alfred.
The white ones are what, Susan?
King Alfred is the name of them.
King Alfred.
I don't know the others.
Yeah, you got some nice yellow ones there.
I hear a deer or something.
You heard a deer?
I can't see it.
And let's see, what do we have over here?
Cabbage under that tunnel.
Got cabbage under the tunnel over there.
So the wind doesn't whip it, and so the squirrel doesn't eat it.
Yeah, squirrels are the big problem. Last year it was rabbits, but this year I keep finding rabbit fur around the yard in coyote, scat, and I know the owls will catch a rabbit and rip it up. I've found that a few times.
Some early onions, overwintering onions. The lettuce is just starting to come up.
Ah, in the little tent?
The boxes.
Well, let's go over there.
One's red. It's not very strong.
Let's go over there and have a look.
I'm going to take that tent off.
Yeah, you put the tent on here and you have to reach in and water it every day.
And the poor asparagus, well, it's coming up for the second time. The freeze got some of the first stems, so it's not looking too good
Here,
yet.
let's move around the side here where the light's bright. We'll take a look at the asparagus. Yeah, this is our asparagus bed.
Not much
And
yet.
I don't know if we're going to get any asparagus yet this year or not.
Well, look, see, there's some right here where I was kind of cleaning it up. I'll show you. Right here.
Hold it right there while I zoom in. There we go, yeah.
Not very big around, though. There's one over there.
Yeah, I don't know if we'll eat any or not.
Yes.
Put your hole on that other one there, Susan.
Well, I've had some bigger ones come up, and then the frost got a lot of them, so it's kind
There
of...
it is. There's a nice stalk.
And here.
Here, put it out there. It takes me a minute to find it. Oh, yeah, look at that one. I don't know if we'll eat any of these or not, or if we're just going to let them grow this year and get the roots down better.
I think we can have some.
We might have a little, but we're trying to get this established. We don't want to hurt the plants by harvesting too early.
Weeds.
And out here, you can't see them now. We came out here last week and cut sprouts. We had mostly persimmon sprouts over here. We cut them, gave them a little drink to discourage them from growing again. So anyway, the garden is moving along. And the soil is much better than it was in the past. We've added mushroom compost to it for several years, and it's really getting
improving.
loose and rich now.
It's definitely
We're,
improving.
we haven't bought any this year, and probably will next year again. We have put a lot of mushroom compost on this, and it really has made a difference in the way the soil behaves.
Winter
Okay.
annuals love it.
Oh yeah, here we're killing more of those winter annuals.
I'm not good at one-handed hoeing.
Okay, I think that's about it. That's our garden update for
2024.
2024. We're March 30 today. So, nice garden. Hey, thank you for the tour, Susan. Say bye.
Bye.
See y'all later.
Sun's
Thanks for
in my
visiting.
eyes.